Professor Liu is continue to teach you chapter 1 projects. So we are able to actually use create a random number guessing game, and we already figure out how many times this and that. But I want to make this program a little bit more like advanced program right now and use a function, because very important is we are going to use functions. So instead of using this one here, using this one here, I'm going to use a function called get random number. Is that okay? So I'm going to say here integer get random num. It's okay. So I'm going to get this. So integer get random num, and I'm coming back here. Okay. We are going to generate. Let's see here. Get random num here. All right. So I am going to right here. So this will be our number here. So I'm going to let it generate it. Okay. So I'm going to close it and generate right here. Automatically generate right here. So at the get random num here, I am just going to copy this line. It's okay. Yeah. Let me just you already have let me just copy this line here. Control X right here, and I'm going to put right here Control let me see, Control V. Okay, and I'm just going to get rid of these and just right here I'm going to return this. Return, and you can make it a little bit nicer. So this is what I'm going to return. Okay, a number 1 to 100. Okay, so instead of instead of so the random number generator blah 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 like this way is okay. This should not be here anyway. So we are going to write like this. Okay, so we are going to say computer num will be actually equal to and get random number. Okay. All right. So your get random number call right here, then will return. All right. Now we got one right now. We need to get the other one. Say get user inputs. Okay. So I type here. I'm going to say get user input. It's okay, like that. Okay. Once I got that already, all right. So I got user input here. Then I can get my user input definition right here. Okay. Then I can type right here, but I'm going to close it. It will generate down here. Okay. Get user input here. And get user input here, I'm just going to copy from here. Okay. Let me see. Get user input here. Then right here. Okay. So first I'm going to say enter your guess. Okay, can you guess what? Enter your guess and guess. Okay, so Control C. Oh, hold on. Control X. Okay, so and I'm going to put right here Control V, and right now I'm going to say right here, so integer guess. Okay, integer guess. All right, so let me put guess as G right here, because I want to use the full name guess at my main program here, just like that. All right, so I'm going to say, all right, so can you guess what is enter I guess. And here maybe just remind them is 1 to 100. All right, so we remind them that, and then you need to return what? Return G. Where's my G? All right. All right. So then we coming back right here. Coming back, explain. I'm thinking of these and blah 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 here. Now instead of you want to doing this is get user. So guess will be equal to get user input. All right. So right here, get user input right now. Okay. And now we are going to do this right now. So we are going to do this. So I have a let me get rid of all these extra explanation thing. That's so I have a get in the number, okay, and I also get this right now, and I'm going to right here I'm going to put this line here, Control X, okay, and put into here. Let's all right. So get input, okay. So right now I sort out already good. Right now I already have this function, that function. Then I am going to do another thing here. So I'm going to get rid of this while loop, okay, get this entire while loop here, and let's do this as this is just compare, is that right? So I'm going to say void, okay, compare, oh sorry, compare compare just compare and number, compare numbers, is that right? And what number I'm compare right now? Actually I need to compare two things. All right, so it's computer num, okay, so enter is computer num, CPU num, okay, and computer is user num, okay. So we actually want to compare with the CPU num and the user num. So we come right here, right there. So we let it write for us, okay. Then we coming back right here, okay. We're coming back here. Now right here, you know what? I am just going to cut the whole thing right here. Is that okay? Let me cut the whole thing here. Hold on, right here. Control X. All right, so I'm going to put right here. All right, so the thing is, this is going to call user num. All right, and this is going to call CPU num. It's okay. Then of course so if user's number, let me just keep on get all right, and your guess your is that right? Hold on, I'm almost there. It's okay. All right, so right here actually want to do this. Let me try to do it here, right? All right, so hey, remember before we cut it, and there's an incrementation. So once we started, we need to increment first, okay? So I need to have a integer counter, but now it's put to 1. Okay, so the integer counter 0 thing is not here. Number, so alright. So I'm going to put this integer number of guests. Number of guests is 1. Okay, now, so if your what happened is as long as, okay, so as long as your users guess is different from your CPU guess, okay, then if your users guess and is greater than your CPU guess, okay, CPU num. Alright, so if this happen, I need to tell you that your number is too high. Try a smaller number. And when I try a smaller number here, I need to get a new number. Is okay? I need to get you new number. So I need to tell you this here right now. So you are going to say your user num, all right, will be equal to get input, get user input. All right, then you also need to do this. Where's that thing go? Number of guests need to increment by 1. All right, so else if not greater than the smaller, right? So we're going to say your guess is too low. Okay, it's too low. And try a larger number right now. So you need to get a larger number. So your user num should equal to get user input, get user input. Then right here, I get another input. All right, so either you get input from here or from there. Here, I'm just going to do the exactly same thing. Don't put right here. Okay, user input. All right, so okay, so here, let me do like this way right now. Hold on, just a minute. I want to match with my same way. Is that okay? So get your number too high, otherwise, and I'm going to do this. Okay, Control X, and I'm going to do this. Control V. Oh, sorry. So now you are going to get your input. Okay, then this is not called that. This is called what? Let me see. Called number of guess. Number of guess. And plus. All right. So at last, you're going to get input one more time. We're going to get input one more time. All right. So then, if that's correct, congratulations, you're my number, but number is called CPU num. All right, and it took you this called number guess. Number guess, where's that? Num guess, huh? Yeah, num guess. Okay. Why? Let me take it. All right, and this is called number of guess. Is that right? Num guess. How come I didn't get it? Why? Do I see why? All right, so I have while here. All right, so gentlemen, here need to be here. Control X to be here. I put the wrong spot. All right, so once I get into here, I put it to 1, initialize that. Now I have variable right now, so let me call that. It's called what? Number of guess. Okay. All right. So right here, once I get in, my number of guesses is 1, I do the compare. If it's greater than, you say, hey, it's too high, otherwise it's too low. Now, add a while loop, you input one more time. So, once you do that, your program is first, you you do srand, then you srand, and you generate random number between 1 to 100. Then you get user input. It's okay, you get user input. Now you are going to compare. Okay, so compare num, and the two number will be what? Well, let me see. Compute CPU num, so computer number. All right. Then second number is what? Second number is user number. User number is guess. All right. So I got this part right now. Okay. So I have 3 functions. The first one, all right. So this one, let me do is compare user computer number. All right. So we have 3 functions right now. All right. So let's run it right now. So build it. And start without debugging. Not really. All right, I'm thinking about 1 to 100. So again, intelligent guess is halfway, 50. All right. So now hold on. Try a larger number. So these I should not be right here. Okay, let me fix this part right now. Okay. This should be go right here. This should be the first line here. Hold on. Control X. Because the first time and the second time is different. So I really want to do like this way. Okay. And then once you are here right now, get input, and I am just going to do this. Enter your guess. All right. So here I'm thinking of a number between 1 to and I'm just going to polite them to say, can you guess the number? Okay, so I fix a little bit to make these between the first guess and the rest of guess. Okay, so let me do it one more time. All right, so build it. Start without debugging. So I got a number right now. We don't know what's number. So enter your guess. Can you guess it between 1 to 150? All right, and so it's too low. So let's try 75. All right, what? Too low. So I need to try 75, between 75 to 100. That's another 12 or something. So let's try 87, 88. I'm going to try 88. Now it's too low. So 88 to 100. All right, so there are 12 of them, and you plus 6. Let's put 93. Sometimes it's just guessing, okay? 93 is too low, so I need to try a number between 93 to 88. So I'm just guessing it's 90, okay? 90 is too low, so I need to do between 90 to 93, either 91, 92, okay? Try luck, okay? Let me try my luck, okay? 92. All right, I got it right now. All right, so it took me 6 guesses. It took 6 guesses. For this program right now, I break these into three loops, three functions. Now I need you to do this right now. I need you to make these continue and allow the user to play again. So I'm going to say char again. All right, once I have char again right here, okay, then I am going to do this. So all these part, okay, this part need to be in loop. Is that okay? So I'm going to write here, do, and tab over. And I need to ask the most important question here, okay? Most important question is this. All right, see out. Do you want to do it again? So you want to loop again, whatever, okay? And see in, and I'm going to say again. All right, so what is good here? I'm going to say again my two lower, and again. All right, so equal lowercase y. All right, so in this situation, I'm going to do again. So do again what? Do again all these guys. So copy this thing, Control X. All right, the only thing here is this. Okay, the only thing here is this, because we need to do again and again, and I really want the screen to be clear. So right here, do you want to do again here? I want to clear my screen. System and COS. I need to clear my screen. It's okay? All right. So now we are going to try it right now. So build it. And start without debugging. All right, so I'm thinking number again, you need to try 50, halfway, okay? All right, so it's too low. So larger, try 75. Too low, okay. Then, halfway, let's try 83. All right, I got it, okay? So I got 3 guesses. This time I'm lucky. But look, do you want to do it again? Yes. Clear right now. You understand? Otherwise, it's mess. If I don't do that, it's very messy to have the previous question. Hey, do you want to do it again? All right, enter a number. Do you want to? Okay, let me do that. 50. All right, so it's too low right now. It's always too low. 75. Okay. All right, too high. So I need to do 50 to 75, and let me try 63. Too high. So I have to try between 75 to 63. You understand? Between 75 to 63. Let me, more or less, let's just try 70, 69. Too high. So 63 to 69. A number between 63 to 69 minimum. Let me try 66, okay? Too high. So between 63 to 66. So it's 64 or 64 or 65. Let me try 64, okay? Man, has to be 65. Let me see. Too high. A smaller number. I already have 63. Oh, probably I did not clear this right now. So let me stop this one. And to check these numbers, I probably need to clear this number one more time. Okay, so let me run this one more time, and let me temporary print it out. It's okay. Let me temporary print it out. Get the number right here. Right here. Say get the number right here. Okay, let me see out the computer number. Let me see if I need to clear that. Okay, I reset to 0, something like that. Computer num. It's okay. Let me do it right here. Okay, let me run it right now. So I'm going to build it and start without debugging. So my computer num is 59. Okay, but when I guess, I still do 50. All right, so 50 is too low, so I still need to 75. Okay, even though I know the answer. Okay, so too high, so I need to try the number between 50 to 75. So I try 63. The 63 is too high. All right, so since I know the answer, I'm just going to try 59. Okay, so I got 4 guesses. If I say yes, I continue one more time right now. So I got 52. Let me see if the first time is also 52. All right, so let me do one more time. Okay, let me try this 59. Okay, 59, and let me try 52. All right, so if yes, 21. All right, so looks like it's okay right now. Looks like it's okay, so there's nothing wrong. All right, so this is okay now, and then I need to get rid of this. I don't want to type it out this. Okay, so this is your part 3 of the random number guessing game. I change everything to functions. In next chapter, we are going to change everything to class. I hope you like this project.